Wash College Online. I'm back here with Tyler Davidson. We've also enlisted the help of Scott Utley because we're really going to rebuild this entire end of the conveyor, are we not?
You got it. We're going to strip this thing down. We're going to change bearings, sprockets, shafts, couplers, and we're going to get set up in a way that we can change the motor gearbox.
Sounds like a lot of work. Let's get after it. What's the first step?
First things first here, I'm going to pull off this wear plate. I'm going to remove these edge guides, pull the wear plate, pull the belt support plate just to give ourselves a little bit more access in here. And we're going to jump over there and start by stripping off the bearing.
All right, let's do it.
All right. Set our nuts somewhere safe. Get rid of our hedge guides. And we're gonna go ahead and slide this guy back, out of the way. Grabbing ourselves our 3/4 inch socket, and we're going to pull off this belt support plate right here. Let me just set it right back here. Again, make sure you don't lose any of your shimming or anything like that. This stuff is actually quite important to maintain a nice flat surface across the top of the conveyor. So make sure we don't lose any of that good stuff. And this is just giving us a nice big area of exposure to actually work for. So now we're just going to jump over to this ear, and then we're going to start pulling off that bearing plate.